I'm going to try something a little bit different. I am going to put a white puddle in the middle and then layer on some colours. Maybe I'll do a few little puddles, maybe I'll do 3 puddles. So I'm going to put the white on first, not in any particular symmetrical pattern. And then I'm going to layer some little puddles, not necessarily in the same colours either actually. Blue in that one. Perhaps do a little bit of pink in that one. Pink over the top. So I think I'll just carry on kind of layering up the different colours in the puddles, and then I think I will blow into them with my little rocket blower, and then maybe spin them on my turntable. So I'm just really having an experiment to see what happens. I've got magenta pink, gold, copper, this is a quite dark, quite matte blue actually. All the other colours are shimmery and sparkly, but this particular one is quite a matte colour. Just deciding what colour to put on next. Blue in that one. Gold. What colours haven't I got where? I think I haven't got, I don't think I've got any teal in that one. And I have got this pearl white as well, which I did think if I put on the top might be quite interesting. I thought if I was to blow that colour into the rest, that might be interesting. So there's a nice variety of colours. And then I have got my little rocket. I could try blowing it myself. I'll have a go. I'll have a comparison between blowing with this rocket tool that looks like this and actually blowing it myself, and we'll see the difference, I guess. That worked quite well. Let's see what happens if I blow with this. I guess this has a different kind of blow, mixes the colours together a little bit. Spin the turntable. I think I'm probably better off blowing it myself. Okay. And then having done that, I'll let all those colours just settle for a minute. Maybe put my little heated gun on. little stick, I will just draw some lines through it. Find a little stick. This will do. These colours look really nice. I do like those all, how they are. Yeah, but then I guess these are all one colour, so if I was to try to blow that out, that perhaps would be too solid. And the same there. So although I really like the way those colours go together, which is interesting because that's the one I used the little rocket in. Maybe I should try using the rocket in this one as well. See if that makes a difference. It's interesting. I'll draw some lines through. I feel like I could do with some colour in the middle there, but we shall see. But it's not looking bad. I like the way all those colours are all merging together, so I'm going to spin it. I don't want to spin all the colour off the edge though, that's the thing, because that is looking quite nice there. So maybe if I blow it rather than spin it, because I don't really want to lose that. Yeah, that's looking quite nice. I would have liked a bit more colour in the middle, but I guess I could try blowing some colour in the middle. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work. Yes, it does look very pretty. Paint on there, but if I spin it, I'll be spinning the paint off. I don't really want to do that. certainly looks interesting. All those different colours. I'm going to leave it because I do like it. I'm not going to spin it because I don't want to spin off the colours around the edge, because then I'll just be left with the white bit in the middle. But no, I do like that as it is, so I am just going to leave that. I think that'll be really interesting when that all dries and all those nice shimmery colours come out. I'm not going to even, well, I guess I might put a little bit of heat on it. I was going to say I wasn't going to, but I don't want any sort of air bubbles. I like that. That's just a little 6-inch square, but I really like that size. They look lovely when you've got a few of them, all different, and everyone can always find a place to put one of those. But yeah, that's looking nice. Hopefully it will dry how it looks now. I think it will take a while to dry because that paint is quite thick, but I do really like that. I will get the camera and I will bring you down so that you can have a good look. I will just spin it here so you can see from all sides. But just nice with all those different colours. There's probably more of the kind of aquamarine, kind of tealy colour, but it's fine. And it's nice the way you've got that copper and the teal and then some blue. So no, I am pleased with that. I will come and get the camera and I will bring you a little bit closer so that you can have a look. Well, here is this little 6-inch canvas close up. It is a little while later and it's drying quite nicely. Got lots of lovely shimmery colours through there. I think it looks really interesting. I particularly like some of those golds and coppers mixing with the teal, and then that edge looks quite nice with some of the blue going through there, and then those magenta pinks and ice blue. I think altogether I am really happy with that. It just looks a little bit different, something a little bit more unusual to what I usually do. I don't want to just do the same things, and I think that's going to look really effective when it's all dry. I shall dry it with a gloss varnish I shall put on once it has dried. I think that'll look really nice with the gloss varnish. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed watching this little video and hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.